G'day folks, welcome to the show. On today's episode, we're just having a ride around. We're recovering from Christmas, early into the new year. Just touching base to see how you put your Christmas in. I had a very quiet family Christmas. I had the mothers, both mine and the in-law, up for lunch. Mum doesn't take too much chasing around. She's just had a new hip fitted, so only last week or so she was fairly ginger on it, so it was just a nice lunch. Pick up a lunch, a return home, make sure she's all comfortable, and then home and onto the hammock and a couple of beers in the afternoon, and that suited me just fine. Then the new year, homemade pizzas on the deck watching the cricket, listening to the fireworks. Just had too many beers to go driving anywhere to have a look at them. So, New Year's Eve done and dusted. Heading into 2022. What the hell do we have in store this year? God only knows. I guess we'll have to suck it and see. Anyway, I've had a week off work and I'm not looking forward to returning. My message bank's full of messages already for people that think I'm helping them out while I'm on holidays. The poor misguided souls. But it's too good a day to waste. So let's go for a bit of a ride. I plan to head out to Longford by the back way. Nice windy cruisy roads, just to be out on the bike. Just taking it easy. I don't plan on making any outlandish 2022 statements that put any pressure on me to have to undertake, but I do hope to continue to do a couple of videos a month, show everybody as much as Tassie as I get the opportunity to. There is a trip planned early this year with the OG crew, same as last year, so a different destination around the state. But anyway, well, you'll get to see that hopefully. Then I guess we'll hack into the winter here and do what we can through the winter. A few waterfalls that we haven't visited. There is a couple that Squirt and I are keen to do on the west coast, so no doubt we'll record those for you. It was great to see the Aussie content creators manage to have their weekender this year, late this year, which was absolutely fantastic. Planning another next year, so that may be an opportunity for the big fella. You never say never. Pretty keen to go and meet a lot of these guys, and I do know that a lot of the guys, I won't say a lot, a few, as I put any pressure on them, a few of the content creators are actually heading to Tassie. I know of two that are en route as I ride. I'm not sure whether they're on the island or not as yet, but I've given them my details, so hopefully they will give me a call and we can catch up, have a beer, maybe a ride. I'm pretty sure I'm back at work when most of them are here. I don't know whether the ride will get in unless they're here on the weekend days, but it'll just be fantastic to meet these guys. And I'm not going to mention them until I do get the opportunity to meet them. I don't want to put them under any pressure. If they've got time, they'll give me a call. If not, just enjoy the beauty that is Tassie. Plenty of beautiful things to see. I'm not coming down here to have a look at my ugly mug. That I can guarantee you. So we're just driving out past the airport. I'm not sure I've ever brought you out this way, to be honest. There she is, Launceston Airport. I could make all sorts of jokes and innuendos about that, but I won't. Because the borders are open. Come on down. Well, flying doctor service here in Tassie. Thank you guys for your service. I'd actually use those guys. So thank you. I'd like to thank all my subscribers too, and those that watch the channel. Thank you, appreciate it. It's numbers are ticking slowly climbing up. I think we're at about, I don't know, 280 thereabouts. So we're slowly climbing, nicely, just generically growing. I want to thank all the Aussie content creators too for the support that they give me all the way down here. It's much appreciated. Thank you to you guys. So we're just heading out here towards Evandale now. We won't be going into Evandale today. We'll turn off just before we get there and shoot through out onto the Midlands Highway. It's a beautiful day for a ride. An absolute cracker. So today's plan is to sneak a little ride in. Ooh, a lot of gravel on that corner. And head home, and then Squirt and I will go for a paddleboard. Home for tea and a couple of brews. A few people using the water hole, swim in the river. I think that's an old I'll just check that, put that on the screen for you. Might turn into one of the Essex by the time it gets down to Evandale. Not 100% sure. Oh, might have been going a little bit quick through it, yeah. That's right. Bulls are having a blue over here in the paddock. Oh, fucking pine trees on this road. Hang on, we'll check the stabilisation here on the camera. Nuts. Absolutely nuts. So let me take you for a drive in the countryside. Hawthorn hedges line the roads, which is horrendous of a night time because of the game that comes bounding out of there. I must admit I'm not that confident even during the day, but anyway, we'll see how we go. I'd be very surprised if we don't see it today. Oh, phone's ringing, hang on.
Hi, Dad.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, what's going on?
Nothing.
What are you ringing for?
You rang me.
Did I? Ah. Must have been an accident. Must have pressed a button I shouldn't have done.
Probably.
What's going on?
Nothing.
I'm videoing. Did you want us to have any? Did you have anything to say? Get the vlog.
Hi, guys.
What are you up to? Westbury. We're in sunny Westbury. It's the Westbury Maze. Is that the Westbury Caravan Park? Free camping. Well, there you go. Maybe it is. The Hub Cafe now has an IGA. It's been a long time since I've been out this way. Damn. Bert's steam on it. Always worth a visit. Western Tears Distillery. God damn, it has been a long time since I've been out this way. May need to return. Westbury usually always has a pretty strong cricket club. That's their home ground there. And of course the Westbury pub. Many a stop on bike events, poker runs, those type of things where you have a stop for a draw or a roll of dice or something, and a bevy of course. And we're just going to link back up to the highway here, head back to town. This bit of highway is boring as that shit, so I will drop out here and catch up with you later. Happy New Year everybody. I hope 2022 is kind to you. Thank you and goodbye. Must be time for a beer. Let's go!